Do phrasal verbs make English feel difficult? Don't worry, in this video you will learn 5 very common phrasal verbs with easy meanings and examples. Let's begin. Turn down. Turn down means to refuse or reject something. Example: she turned down the job offer. When you say no to an offer, you turn it down. Carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Example: please carry on with your work. If you continue without stopping, you carry on. Find out. Find out means to discover or learn information. Example: I need to find out the truth. When you get new information, you find it out. Get over. Get over means to recover from something like sadness or illness. Example: it took her time to get over the loss. When you move on from pain or sadness, you get over it. Bring up. Bring up means to mention a topic or subject. Example: he brought up an important point in the meeting. When you start talking about a topic, you bring it up. Quick recap. Turn down, refuse. Carry on, continue. Find out, discover. Get over, recover. Bring up, mention. If this video helped you, give it a like. If you haven't watched part 1 of this phrasal verb series, I have explained 5 very common phrasal verbs there. You can watch it by clicking the card here, and the link is also in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye bye.